Hi, today you're going to learn how to use social media for marketing your restoration business. So let's get right into the presentation. You'll learn everything you need to know about using social media to get more water, fire, mold, damage, repair jobs. So if you're selling these types of services or work with a company that does, this is a perfect presentation and a video clip for you to watch. So let's move into the important questions right away. Is social media good for water damage companies? And what do you have to gain out of social media? Now, if you've ever looked up marketing for water damage companies, different tutorials, blog posts, you've likely seen that people say put your effort into SEO and ranking well for different keywords like mold removal, water damage restoration, or water damage restoration, and then your city like Los Angeles, New York, water damage restoration, Miami, whatever. And they are correct. Social media shouldn't be your tier one or however you want to call it, marketing approach when it comes to selling and generating leads for these types of services. Put most of your focus into search engine marketing because that's where the money is for restoration companies. When people Google these types of keywords, they are in buyer mode. You can tell because they're looking for somebody in their specific geographical area to take care of their water damage or mold or fire damage. Um, it doesn't mean that social media doesn't have its place, and today I'm going to show you how. But it's very important to understand that even though it's important to have social media presence, it shouldn't be the most important part. Your most important part should be marketing to people who are searching for stuff like your services because social media is different than search engines. Social media is more attention driven, where things just grab your attention. And that's where you put your focus on. Like when you see a funny picture and oh, this grabs your attention. So people fight for your attention. On search engine, it's a little bit different because people are searching for they know exactly what they want, but on social media they're just spending time chatting with people or something like looking at funny pictures. So it's really different type of marketing on social media, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't have its place. For example, you can use social media to gather reviews, which will then show when people search for your brand name online, like you can see here. Um, this is from one of the SERP Google business profile listings. And what I found is what happens is that Google, and this is not just specific to water damage companies, but it's for all types of businesses. To have Google business profile, Google will pick up reviews from the web. So as you can see here, 4.4 out of 5-star rating for 21 reviews from Facebook. Google picks up this data from other third-party sources, and what you can do is you can use social media pages like your Facebook page to gather reviews that will then show up on your Google business profile. And a tip, it will also help rank better your Google business profile online. And it will help your Google business profile get more reach, not just your Facebook page. So this is one very good aspect of social media. You can use it to gather reviews, which will then show up when people search your brand name online, and further increase the chances of the person searching your brand name from, like, to call you. So this is one good aspect. So when somebody is about to leave your review in your business profile, or you ask a customer to leave a review, perhaps you can ask them to leave a review on your Facebook page too. It will help. Um, you can also do something like paid advertising when there is a storm or a flood in your area. You can go to social media to turn up a few ad campaigns to drive attention to restoration company from locals. In that case, an average person, an average Facebook user from your local area is more likely to have damage just because of the fact that there was a flood or a storm that wrecked a lot of houses or something like that. So yeah, that's something you can try in Facebook. There's an option to just target one specific geographical area, and you can even further target it down to by targeting only homeowners or parents or people above a certain age, right? So you can do that too. But understand that if you're using social media pages to post the different stuff, it's a pay to play system. Don't expect much traction from just posting and sharing on your Facebook page, for example. Only about 5% on your page's followers will actually see your post because Facebook, and this is applicable to pretty much all social networks, but talking specifically about Facebook, it's most prominent. Facebook wants you to run ads for visibility. So have that in mind if you're posting stuff in hopes of getting engagement. Um, oh, sorry about my circle, but yeah, you can see what it says. Use social media for gathering reviews, leveraging trends, brand awareness, and even perhaps customer support, like chatting with people when people message your Facebook page. You can respond, and you can even set up an auto response system on Facebook to auto reply to people's messages. Um, and also run ads. But other than that, put most of your effort into SEM, which stands for search engine marketing. That's the best tips for using social media for marketing your restoration company. Hopefully, these tips will help you go out there and generate more restoration leads for your company. If you have any additional questions or like a free consultation, leave a comment, go to repairsprout.com or join our Facebook group. And yeah, also, one more thing before I wrap up, I'll have a blog post on this specific topic that goes a little bit more in detail. So you can check that out too. I will also a link to this post in the description, and you can check out more ideas for using social media marketing for your water damage restoration company. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope this was helpful too, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.